Want to earn more money per view on YouTube? You're in the right place. In 2025, not all YouTube niches are created equal. Some channels make $1 per 1,000 views, while others make $30 or more. So what's the difference? The answer is CPM, cost per mil. In today's educational breakdown, I'm going to reveal the best CPM niches for YouTube automation in 2025. Whether you're building a faceless channel or growing a media brand, this is the ultimate strategy guide for making every view count. We'll break down exactly what CPM and RPM mean, reveal the most profitable content categories, and even explore how to automate these channels using AI tools. No camera, no mic, no problem. CPM versus RPM, the real difference. Before diving into the high CPM niches, let's understand what CPM is. CPM stands for cost per mil, or cost per 1,000 ad impressions. It reflects how much advertisers are willing to pay to show ads on your content. Example: a tech brand might pay $40 CPM to advertise on a cybersecurity video, but a toy brand might pay $4 on a general entertainment blog. The reason? Audience intent and buying power. Now, RPM, revenue per mil, is what you earn after YouTube's cut. If your CPM is $30 and YouTube keeps 45%, your RPM is around $16.50. That's why choosing the right niche is critical. You could make 5 to 10 times more money with the same number of views by changing your content strategy. Chapter 2. Top 10 Highest CPM Niches for YouTube in 2025. Finance and investing. Estimated CPM, $25 to $60. Content ideas, credit cards, investing tutorials, personal finance tips, stock market updates. Automation tip: use AI to generate script summaries of financial news or trends. Software and SaaS reviews. Estimated CPM, $20 to $45. Content ideas, app comparisons, SaaS tutorials, top 5 tools for businesses. Automation tip: turn product reviews into faceless walkthroughs using AI screen recorders. E-commerce and drop shipping. Estimated CPM, $18 to $40. Content ideas, Shopify guides, print-on-demand strategies, winning product trends. Automation tip: use AI-generated voiceovers plus B-roll of stores or product demos. Online education and courses. Estimated CPM, $15 to $35. Content ideas, top 10 free online courses, best ways to learn coding in 2025. Automation tip: use ChatGPT to script educational summaries, then animate them. AI and tech news. Estimated CPM, $15 to $30. Content ideas, AI updates, GPT-5 reviews, best AI tools for business. Automation tip: pull tech headlines and summarize them with visuals using Pictory or Synthesia. Digital marketing and freelancing. Estimated CPM, $12 to $28. Content ideas, how to start freelancing, best marketing tools for 2025. Automation tip: use AI avatars and templates to break down strategies. Cybersecurity and online privacy. Estimated CPM, $15 to $25. Content ideas, VPN reviews, how to stay safe online, cyber threat alerts. Automation tip: use graphics and AI-generated narration to keep it faceless. B2B and entrepreneurship. Estimated CPM, $12 to $24. Content ideas, top tools for startups, how to start a B2B business. Automation tip: text-to-speech plus animated infographics equals perfect combo. Luxury and real estate. Estimated CPM, $10 to $22. Content ideas, mansion tours, investing in property, luxury cars. Automation tip: stock footage, AI voiceovers create a premium feel with no filming. Green tech and sustainability. Estimated CPM, $8 to $20. Content ideas, electric vehicle reviews, sustainable startups. Automation tip: combine AI script writing with visual templates from Canva or InVideo. Number 3, how to automate high CPM channels. Now that you know which niches pay the most, here's how to automate your channel. Tools you'll need: ChatGPT for writing scripts, 11 Labs or Play HT for natural-sounding AI voiceovers, Pictory or InVideo for editing without needing to shoot footage, Canva Pro for thumbnails, TubeBuddy-vidIQ for keyword research. Workflow: choose a niche from the list. Write your script using ChatGPT. Generate a voiceover with AI. Add stock or AI-generated visuals. Optimize title, tags, and description. Publish and track your RPM. Number 4, AI tools that boost monetization. Here are the best AI tools for faceless YouTube channels in 2025, organized by function. Script writing: ChatGPT 4, Jasper AI, Claude. Voiceover: 11 Labs, Play HT. Descript. Editing: Pictory, InVideo, Runway NL. Thumbnail design: Canva, Adobe Express. Thumbnail Blaster. Planning and optimization: Notion, TubeBuddy, vidIQ. Hashtag 5, mistakes to avoid in high CPM niches. Making high CPM content comes with its own set of traps. Avoid these common mistakes. Copying trending videos without a strategy. Not delivering real value. Watch time suffers. Clickbait titles with low retention. Ignoring YouTube SEO. Title, thumbnail, and tags. Using robotic AI voices that reduce engagement. High CPM niches aren't just about chasing dollars. They're about building sustainable channels that advertisers trust and audiences value. Pick a niche that aligns with your skills and curiosity. Then let AI handle the rest. Whether it's finance, SaaS, tech, or education, the opportunity to earn serious revenue in 2025 has never been more accessible. If you found this breakdown helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our weekly uploads on YouTube automation, AI tools, and digital income strategies.